Is it really possible that what is the challenge of the industry that vanishes as if it was never there? Look at here. It's like it says every data science knows this pain, and these are something that is written, and it has attracted a lot of attention. So what it says, which like becomes really difficult for people, it is saying get new chart or region wise breakdown, additional KPI, different visualization, and these things becomes a nightmare for data scientists. Is it really possible that you can add filter, change chart type, break down by region, add target, all those things without much problem? It's absolutely possible. Let me show you. So here I am. I'm just going ahead, taking any data. Right now, I'm taking this data. And the moment you take this data, make a note, there is nothing here, nothing. And all of a sudden, each and every variable becomes available for you for filtration. And that too as per the type of data, be it categorical, be it numeric, whatever. So is and the way it works, like you can go ahead, select any variable, and the moment you select that variable, it starts showing you distinct value of that. And that's the reason each and every variable becomes available for you for filtration. Now look at something else. Let's say you have built a chart. Let's say right now by job wise, you have the count. This is the count. And it gives you count first in sorted order, like others had max then professional experience. It's giving you like that. But you want to change chart type. Is it really very easy? Of course, it is very easy. You go ahead, say that you are looking at donut chart. And now what you are getting is donut chart. All of a sudden, just give a second and you will see it's a donut chart. And that too, like highly evolved, it's giving you count and percentage and everything. So the second part, like change of chart type, no deal at all. It's just as simple as anything. And not one chart. You can do anything. You can just say, give me probably some more or some other kind of chart and you'll get it. Now look at the third part. It is saying breakdown by region. So let's say right now I created breakdown by job. Let's say for any region you want breakdown by, within this you want breakdown by region, right? It's giving you within job, it is giving you breakdown by region. You say this is good enough, but probably I would have preferred a sunburst chart, another chart, right? So look at now, you get the sunburst chart, and the sunburst chart allows you that you can do filtration, like you can check any group. It's like pi within pi. So let's say you want to check what is within others, you can go ahead check that, right? So change of chart type. Now you say that, okay, no, I just want region. So it is giving you now region wise sunburst, and region wise sunburst probably you'll not like much. It's a very simple stuff. So probably you like a bar chart. So go ahead again the bar chart, and now you have the bar chart again in sorted order, south and followed by west, and it is giving you again in another order which is alphabetically sorted. So change of chart, and look at here. Now within region, you can go ahead, say, now give me job. And it can give you within region, it can give you job. Earlier it was giving you within job, it was giving you region. Now it is within region, it is giving you job wise. And you can clearly see that, okay, in Midwest, what is there? In everywhere, what is there? So that's the second portion. Now look at the third portion, add targets. How will you compare it against the targets? So simple it is. It's essentially if you have target, let's say you have the, if you have anything which has the target, I'll take another data which has a target and I'll show you how easy it is. So I'm just going ahead, sorry, give me another second. So I'm just going ahead, taking that data which has targets, and let me show you. So here I'm going ahead, taking that data, and all what I need to do here, I'll just remove this. I'll take actual and I'll take target here, and I'll do, let's say, by category. Okay. And how will you check both of them, right? So the ways to have checking that, probably you can do y1, y2 like that. So y1, y2 you can say, and y1 interact y2. So actual divided by target, right? That if actual is more than target, it will give you better. And that kind of thing, if you are looking, just click a button and now look at the graph. So it's giving you actual, target, and actual divided by target 1.251 like that. Now let's see something else. You are okay with that, but probably you would have preferred a gauge chart where it shows actual and target. And look at now, for everything it is giving you, it's green because it's like more than the target. Even it is more than the target, that's why it is green. And why it is red? Because the target was 100 and it's like just slightly more than 50. So everything, like what is the industry challenge here? Add one filter, change chart type, break down by region, add target, or remove the column. Let's say for any reason you have the bar chart, right? You have the Y1, Y2 chart, and you want to okay, only one column. Obviously, you can do like you select the bar chart and it gets removed. So everything that people are doing is, or you want to drop a particular column, even that, like just a selection. Here you go ahead. In this, it gives you an option where you can just go ahead, drop a column. So it's saying please select the variable which you want to drop. So what is the challenge of the industry that totally vanishes with extreme ML?